Hi all, welcome to new development video series. In this video, we're going to see how we can configure uh, a custom options column. Basically, the option column is a column that is non-sticky and next to the action column. In the last video, we have seen how we can configure actions using actions list attribute and uh, also the custom action method. So similarly for the option method or option column, there is two method. One is option list of dictionary items. Similarly, a custom option method. So in this video, we're going to see how we can configure option column using option attribute inside Horilla List View. So for that, let's jump to the VS Code. Okay. Then we check on the Horilla List View and search for options. Sorry, Control F, options. Here you can see options. Yeah, before that, just check on our output. Here's our custom map. Instead, here's the custom shift. So here you can see our custom action that we created in the last video. So similarly, we are going to create a custom option column. Basically, this is a sticky column. That is custom action. When I zoom the window, here you can see the action column is sticky. So the option column means the last column that is non-sticky and next to the action column. So inside the VS Code, I'm going to add maybe options equal to list of dictionary item. Okay, when we check on the Horilla list table, Horilla list table is the HTML template, generic template. Yeah, instead of Horilla theme, we can search for options. Yeah. Okay. The title will be option. So first key is option, and let's provide the action for option as approve. Then yeah, approve. The second key is the icon, option icon. So you can get the icon from ionic icons. So open new tab, ionic icons, search for approve or validate, tick, check. Yeah, let's use this icon for now. Just the name. Here you can see check circle out, check mark circle outline. So check mark circle outline. And the accessibility. Accessibility means is used to manage the accessibility for seeing the option item. For now, let's use let's create a new accessibility for the approve action. Def accessibility to show approve and power request instance and adds cogs. Let's return true for now. Okay, now let's map the accessibility into the approve option. Accessibility and the path will be custom app cbv shift request and paste. Okay, then okay, there's also a key called ATDS for any additional class or style. Yeah, let's add that also. Inside the ATDS, we'll be managing the URL or the action that need to be happen when we click on the approve but option. So it's table options. Here is the here you can see the ATDS. ATTS. Similarly, for the actions that we done past the last video, we can paste the details from the model instance using single curly braces. And now I'm going to do a single alert when your user click on the approve button. Just show some alert. It's an on click. Okay, let's alert something like approved. Let's say shift request spin approved, and we can mention the shift name like here's the model shift request. Yeah, for now let's provide employee name, employee information. Now, okay, we have configured the options. Okay, come back to the browser and let's refresh here. Now here you can see the action is coming. See, when I click on the approve, yeah, the alert is showing now. Shift request has been approved for Michael Brown. So that's how we configure options in Horilla List View. Next, we will see how we can configure the option similarly using the option method attribute inside Horilla List View. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, you can add inside the comment.